In this guide, we will walk you through how to back up and restore Samsung data using Samsung Kies. If Samsung Kies is not compatible with your device or doesn't meet your needs, we'll also introduce a powerful alternative. Part 1. How to back up Samsung data with Samsung Kies. Samsung Kies allows you to back up a wide range of content, including contacts, messages, photos, and more. Step 1. Launch Samsung Kies on your computer and connect your Samsung phone to the same computer via USB. Once successfully connected, choose the Backup and Restore option and click Data Backup. Then, Kies will divide the Samsung phone data into two categories: personal information contacts, messages, call logs, etc., and content music, photos, videos, etc. Step 2. Select the data you need to back up and hit the button Backup at the top right corner to start the backup process. You can directly choose the media files backup on your computer, but for messages and call logs backup, you have to install additional software to access them. Part 2. How to restore Samsung data with Samsung Kies. After backing up your Samsung data, you can easily restore it at any time using the same software. Step 1. Open Samsung Kies and connect your Samsung device to the computer via USB. Choose the Backup and Restore tab and then select Restore Data. Step 2. Kies will display a list of previous backup files available on your computer. From the drop-down menu, select the backup file you want to restore to the device. If the backup file is not listed in the drop-down menu, scroll to the bottom and click Find File to locate and select it manually. Step 3. Mark the items you want to restore from the backup file, then click Restore. Some items may require additional settings. Choose the desired options and click OK to proceed. Step 4. Wait for the process to complete. Once done, click Complete, and your selected data will be restored to your Samsung device. Note: Samsung Kies only supports feature phones and smartphones or tablets released before the Galaxy Note 3, including models like the Galaxy S4 and Note 2. Or newer Samsung devices. The company has introduced Smart Switch, which serves as the upgraded replacement for Samsung Kies. Smart Switch offers broader compatibility and enhanced functionality for data transfer and backup on the latest Samsung models. Part 3. How to back up and restore Samsung via alternative tool. Coolmuster Android Backup Manager supports a wider range of devices and enables users to back up and restore data with one click. 3.1. How to back up Samsung data to computer. Step 1. Install and launch Coolmuster Android Backup Manager on your PC or Mac. Step 2. Connect your Samsung phone to the computer using USB and enable USB debugging. Step 3. Click on the backup option from the interface. Step 4. Choose the data types to backup contacts, messages, photos, apps, etc., and hit Backup to save the selected data to your computer. 3.2. How to restore Samsung data via Coolmuster Android Backup Manager. Step 1. Launch the software and connect your Samsung phone. Step 2. Click Restore and choose the backup file from the list. Step 3. Select the specific data types to restore. Then click Restore to recover your data to the device.